Hello, I just made a nice cocktail drink, a do-it-yourself homemade cocktail drink, and you can see it on the far right hand side here in the bottle. I'd used Dooley's toffee liqueur, Tia Maria, and Kahlua. Also added some extra bit of vodka in there, and then I added a coffee drink that I bought from a shop, and I added a bit of Marvel powdered milk and a touch of condensed milk and also a touch of vanilla essence. I used the blender to blend it with, put it into that glass container, as you can see on the far right hand side, and I also shook that container by hand as well. And I'm going to put it in the freezer for a short while, and then I'm going to go and let one of my friends try some of the drink as well. All right, thank you. Bye.